Next up, we have our half sun salutations. And this is where we really try to connect mind, body, and breath. I'm going to turn sideways that we can see the technique. We start in mountain pose. I'm facing the short end of my mat. Mountain pose means where feet are about hip width apart, kneecaps point forward. If we can, we lift and spread the toes. That helps stretch the soles of the feet, helps tone your ankles, does a lot of benefit if you can do that. Tone your legs. The core is next. So we take a breath in, take a breath out. As you breathe out, pull your Kegel muscles up into your body. That helps with core stability and helps with low back health. The Kegel muscles are the muscles you would use to stop yourself from going to the bathroom. So we pull those muscles up, keep them locked in. We try to keep the ribs down. We bring our arms by our side. Spread your fingers out, spread them wide, pull your shoulders down. And we pull the forehead back and drop the chin. So we're trying to put length into the spine. We're tucking the tailbone under slightly, and we're trying to lift the skull bone up toward the ceiling. And that creates sort of like a decompressive effect on the spine. Now we hold here and breathe here. So breathe, take one breath in, one breath out. Make sure that you're keeping your Kegels engaged. Another breath in. Another breath out. Now we integrate mind, body, and breath. As we inhale, bring your arms up about halfway. Just straight out in front of you, palms face the ceiling. Keep your shoulders down. Find an exhale. Your hands will pass through your heart center in a prayer fashion. Touch the front of your thighs or touch the sides of your thighs. Breath in. Breath out. Make your knees soft. And we push our behind straight back. It's as if you have a kitchen drawer that you're trying to shut with your behind. Let your fingertips find your kneecaps and we hold and breathe. So we're getting heavier into the heels. We're loading the back side of the body, the back of the legs, the behind. And you might even feel some strengthening working its way up your spine. We hold and breathe. One more breath in. Now as we breathe out, engage your core, push with your feet, and stand up. We come to mountain pose again. Good. So we inhale, double checking feet, legs, core, shoulders, arms. Exhale, reinvigorate the core, reinvigorate the Kegel muscles. Lock those in. Inhale, arms up halfway. Exhale, hands come through heart center in a prayer fashion. Touch the front of the thighs or the sides. Breath in. Breath out, engage the core. Bend your knees slightly. Shut the kitchen drawer. Careful how you say that. We're hinging backwards. Once your fingertips are more or less close to your knees, that's when you stop. We hold and we breathe. We just double check, arms straight, shoulders down, forehead back, chin down. Trying to keep your chest up. And you just try to feel more or less the backside of your body has got tension in a good way on it. You want to feel your muscles toned, lengthened, strengthened. One more breath in. Breath out, exhale, engage your core, push with your feet. And we come back to mountain pose. And now our third and final try. Breath in, arms up halfway. Breath out, hands come through heart center in a prayer fashion. Touch the thighs or the sides of the thighs. Breath in. Breath out, engage the core, soft knees. Push your behind straight back. Let your heels get heavy. You're moving through your hips. You're not moving through your spine or your ribs. Once your kneecaps more or less find your once your fingers more or less find your kneecaps, hang in there and breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage your core. Push with your feet. Stand up to mountain pose. Take a breath in. Take a breath out. And release. That's a great way to learn how to start to move through the larger muscle groups of your body and not move through so much through your spine. And that's really good for your back health and your hip health. Awesome. If you're looking for a method of yoga that's taught in a safe, slow, sane, back pain friendly way, I want to invite you to check out our on-demand service at redefinedyoga.com. I'll put a link in the description. I developed our method of yoga. It's called functional yoga instruction. I developed that method of yoga for one reason and one reason only: to help me overcome my chronic back pain. And so I took the best exercises from yoga, took the best exercises from strength training, took the best exercises from physical therapy, put it all together in functional yoga instruction. We're hearing great things from our clients all around the globe. People are now getting their quality of life back. They never thought they'd be able to do yoga, and they never thought that our method of yoga would help so much. So please support the channel. Check us out. If I don't see you sooner, I will see you later. Thanks.